yeah. Headlights got the midnight haze. Got my thoughts on replay. Trying to map a better face. She said you move too fast to notice what you pass. I said maybe that's the point. Leave the doubt in shattered glass.
What if I told you this entire music track was never recorded in a studio? No professional producer, no expensive software, and I didn't even make it manually. Everything was generated using AI. And yes, you can do this too. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how creators are generating professional quality AI music, turning it into cinematic music videos using Seedance 2.0, and even building viral faceless chat, all using a single AI platform. But here's the craziest part. You can start completely free. So make sure to watch till the end, because I'll show you the complete step-by-step workflow from generating the music to creating the final viral ready video. So let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. Meet Tunee AI Music Agent. And trust me, this is not just another AI music generator. This is basically an all-in-one AI creative studio where you can simply chat with AI like a professional music producer. And within minutes, generate full songs, create realistic vocals, and even turn them into cinematic music videos. No music skills, no complicated setup. Just type your idea, and let AI create the rest. So first of all, click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, it'll bring you here. Now all you need to do is enter your music idea or paste your lyrics, and it will generate music for you. You can also generate cinematic music videos using Seedance 2.0. For music generation, it supports the advanced Mureka 9 model, and you also get extra features like lip sync, song reference image upload, fast mode, and even web search support. The best part? You get multiple AI music generation models all in one place. For this demo, I want to generate a rap song with both male and female vocals. As you can see, I already wrote my prompt exactly the way I want it. I'll keep all the settings on default and click generate. Now it takes us into the Tunee agent workflow, where you can generate, edit, and refine everything through simple chat. First, it asks for the style of the music, so I'll select this one. Then AI starts building the music prompt automatically. After that, it generates the song lyrics, and if needed, you can edit or regenerate them. Once everything is ready, it generates our final song and gives us two different versions. And now, let's listen to them one by one.
Yeah,
Yeah. Street lights flicker like my thoughts at 3 a.m. Got a plan scribbled on a napkin, it's still wet.
Hey.
She said I move too fast, but slow don't feed the dream. So I punch the gas, let the engine scream. We're racing toward the glow where the skyline breaks. No map, just heartbeats in the rearview shake. You talking rhythm, I sing it true. Oh, yeah.
Street lights flicker like my thoughts at 3 a.m. Got a plan scribbled on a napkin, it's still wet. She said I'll move too fast, but slow don't feed the dream. So I punch the gas, let the engine scream.
We're racing toward the glow where the skyline breaks. No map, just heartbeats.
And as you can see, the result is actually amazing. The music quality sounds really good, and this was generated completely free. You only need a subscription if you want commercial usage rights. Now let's try something different. You can generate music directly from here, or simply go back to the main dashboard and create a new project. For this example, I'm entering a prompt to create a track inspired by the energy and vibe of a popular anthem-style song. Then I click generate. Now it asks whether I want to reuse the previous lyrics or create completely new lyrics. I'll choose brand new. After that, Tunee Music Agent handles everything automatically. It creates the music prompt, generates the lyrics, and starts producing the final track. And within just a few seconds, our new music is ready. Now let's listen to both versions one by one and compare the results.
Yeah. Headlights got the midnight trying to map a better phrase. You said you move too fast to notice what you passed. I said maybe that's the point, leave the doubt and shattered glass.
But I see you when you slow down. In the quiet, in the sound.
Now let's turn this music into a full music video. I'll simply enter the prompt and use the Seedance 2.0 model. For this example, I'll type create a music video for the Fire and Stone song. Then proceed to music video generation. Next, select the duration and choose which part of the song you want to use in the video. Click next, and it automatically adds that section as the reference track. Now it's time to add the character. You can upload your own character, create one, or choose directly from the built-in library. I'm choosing this one. Then click Create. After that, select your video settings. Seedance 2.0 as the video model. Resolution, GPT Image 2 as the image model. And choose your aspect ratio. I'm going with 16:9 for YouTube. Now click Confirm Details. At this stage, Tunee automatically generates the complete video concept including scene descriptions, visual elements, and cinematic direction. You can modify anything if needed. If everything looks good, click Continue. First, it generates the character images and visual assets like environments and locations. Then click Continue with Assets. Now it automatically creates the complete storyboard. Finally, open Final Video. And within minutes, our complete AI music video is ready. Simply download it from here. And here's the final result.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Headlights got the midnight haze. Got my thoughts on replay. Trying to map a better face. She said you move too fast to notice what you pass. I said maybe that's the point. Leave the doubt and shattered glass. Oh, but I see you when you slow down. In the quiet, in the sound of your engine humming low. Telling truths you never show.
Yeah, baby.
Hey now.
Now we have a complete AI-generated cinematic music video. What's crazy is that this entire workflow happened without traditional music production, video editing, or complex tools. This is exactly why so many creators are experimenting with AI to produce music content faster and explore new content styles. And the best thing about Tunee? It's not just a music generator. It's basically a complete AI creative ecosystem. Inside one platform you can generate songs, create vocals, generate cinematic videos, create AI visuals, build storyboard sequences, and create complete AI content workflows, all inside one workflow. You also get free credits to get started, plus additional credits after login depending on availability and platform offers. And if you want commercial usage rights and access to copyright documentation or licensing options, I'd recommend checking out their subscription plans. The pricing is actually quite reasonable for what you get. And if you choose the annual plan, you can save up to 17% compared to paying monthly. So if you are planning to create content consistently or use your music commercially, it could be worth considering. But you can still start for free and test everything before upgrading. Link will be in the description. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.